be ready. 5 seconds. Start in SBCWP number 19106/2022 application bracket start 1/2023 bracket close has been filed seeking impleadment as party respondent store. For reasons mentioned in the application, the same is allowed store. Amended cause title enclosed with application is taken on record store. In all these writ petitions, petitioners have raised common grievance for not issuing the experience certificate in the prescribed format, due to which petitioners are unable to upload their experience certificate while submitting application forms for the respective posts of nursing officer/pharmacist pursuant to a advertisement dated 16/11/2022 store. The grievance in respect of issuing experience certificate in the prescribed format has been dealt with and decided by the principal seat at Jodhpur in case of Lalaram vs State of Rajasthan and others in SBCWP number 19677/2022 and other connected writ petitions wide dated 5/1/2023 store. The court has observed thus store. In a bid to ward off inconvenience and hardship to the candidates and in order to expedite and streamline the process of issuing experience certificate, it is deemed expedient and hence ordered that store. Henceforth, the candidates will be required to submit their application forms in 2 copies, out of which 1 copy will be returned to the candidate with a receipt with date and seal of officials of the concerned CMHO store. All the candidates will be required to submit a copy of experience certificate issued by concerned agency/NGO/respective authorities while submitting application for experience certificate store. All the candidates who have applied for issuance of experience certificate by 12/1/2023 will be issued experience certificate in prescribed performa in accordance with law as early as possible, latest by 16/1/2023 store. The experience certificate will be issued on the basis of experience gained and duties bracket start name of the post/job bracket close discharged by the candidates regardless of their opinion about concerned candidates' entitlement for bonus marks store. All the candidates will be permitted to submit their online application form bracket start up to the last date bracket close with the claim of bonus marks even without uploading the experience certificate store. After the process of submitting online application form is over, the recruiting authority will open the window/website at least for a period of 7 days and permit to candidates to amend/modify their application form bracket start if required and allow the candidates to upload their experience certificate, whose certificate will be issued after 16/1/2023 store. Considering the judgment of this court rendered in the case of Mahipal Lakhera vs State of Rajasthan and others, SB Civil Writ Petition number 2577/2022 decided on 11/1/2021 and SM Saran and others vs State of Rajasthan and others, SB Civil Writ Petition number 12080/2018 decided on 28/8/2018. It is directed that the candidates who have worked in 108 ambulance and mobile medical units will apply for experience certificate with copies of their earlier experience certificate issued in the year 2013/2018 store. The concerned CMHOs will accordingly verify them and issues experience certificate in the new format considering the judgments rendered in the case of the Mahipal Lakhera (Supra) and S.M. Saran (Supra) stop stanza.